This is probably the closest thing to cheating in business right now. You can take something that's already making money, clone it, and sell it as your own all in minutes using AI. And almost nobody knows about this. So the way to ethically cheat is with AI receptionists. And we do this by selling them to local businesses for $4.97 per month. And if you stack enough of these, well, it adds up really quick. Now, the reason this is cheating is not the idea. It's not that AI receptionists helping local businesses is some magical idea. The thing is, which is what they don't know, is you can set these up in minutes, which I'm going to prove to you in this video. From there, your operational onboarding costs go way down and your profit margins go up because you can essentially take on pretty much unlimited clients and onboard them all very quickly, basically giving you a cheat code over everyone else to basically sell AI receptionists done for you for $4.97 and get them started immediately. And I'm being serious by saying local businesses will pay for this because as you see right here, these businesses are closed and these businesses are missing out on a ton of calls when they're closed because they're not open. And right there is where you can slide in your AI receptionists and solve their core problems. And when you have an AI agent answering the phones, okay, and an AI chatbot doing email for them, that pretty much solves it on an ongoing basis. Again, I say this all the time. When you solve recurring problems, you get recurring money. And the crazy part is in this video, I'm going to show you how to get both of these pre-made from me for free. I don't have some high ticket coaching to sell you or some outdated course. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm going to show you how to get these free and something that's worked for me that I really think is going to help you if you're willing to implement. So without further ado, let's set these up and let's focus on selling them. So the first thing I want to show you is these free agents I have. So right here we have Lisa, which is the AI voice agent. If you don't know what that is, it is an AI robot that can answer the phone and do customer support and sales 24/7 like this.
Hello, you've reached Evercrest Realty. This is Rebecca. How can I help you today?
Hey, Rebecca, how you doing? I am trying to fix my house and sell it because it looks terrible.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And hey, no worries about the house. We've seen it all, and trust me, a little TLC can go a long way when selling. We can help with everything from staging to pricing strategies to make sure your home shines and sells for top dollar. Want me to set up a free evaluation with one of our agents? They can guide you on what fixes will give you...
Yes, Rebecca, let's do it.
All right, let me check what appointment slots we have available for a free evaluation. Hang tight for just a moment. Here are some available slots for a free evaluation. Today, March 19th at 3 p.m., 5 p.m., or 7 p.m. Tomorrow, March 20th at 3 p.m., 5 p.m., or 7 p.m. Monday, March 23rd at 3 p.m., 5 p.m., or 7 p.m.
So that's going to take care of all of their phone calls. Then the other free thing I have for you is Grace, which is an email AI chatbot that can answer email and all of that stuff 24/7, which is a huge bottleneck of the business. And the crazy part is with this, guys, is we can take these, use my free AI prompts that I'm going to give you, okay, copy and paste these into ChatGPT and literally just copy paste in Agent Goals and change this to any niche you want. This is another reason why this is a cheat code. We can go after HVAC. We can go after plumber, lawyer, dentist, hair salon, barbershop, you name it, we can change it with these AI prompts. Because the problem is with a lot of business models online is they lock you into a niche, which then means you can only target a certain amount of people. But with AI, this entire paradigm has flipped. You now can target whoever you want, meaning the total adjusted market that you can go after is way bigger, easier to sell, okay? We want to work smarter, not harder. So all of this stuff is going to be free for you, okay? I have a ton of videos on how to do this and how to change it. So for the sake of this video, we're going to focus more on how to reach out to these businesses and sell this. But this is very, very simple. Like you literally just put the prompts in, copy and paste the ChatGPT, and you're done. And again, if you want these videos and you want to learn how to set this up step by step, drop a comment down below and your boy, the wizard, will hook you up with a tutorial, again, for free to show you how to do this. But I go over this in so many of my videos that for this video, we're not going to go through, but it's literally minutes and you can change this AI voice agent or this email AI chatbot. So this is the first part, which is setting these things up. And again, I'm going to show you how to get these for free in just 1 second. And no, don't worry, there's not a sales pitch coming. You'll see in a sec. It's going to be risk-free. But these are going to be free. So you have the first part checked off, which is you have your AI agents. Boom, sold, you're good to go. Now we need to move on to the more important part, which is how to reach out to local businesses and how do we sell this for $4.97 per month and collect it on autopilot. That's what we're trying to do here. And this is going to be the lion's share of the work. But lucky for you, I have some really cool tricks up my sleeve to make this process way easier, even if you suck at sales. So let's go through it. So step number 1 is finding who you want to go after. Again, like I said, with these amazing free prompts, you can hit anyone you want. So first thing is deciding what niche. So pick lawyer, electrician, CPA, you name it, figure it out, put it in there. You can also go to ChatGPT ChatGPT and say, what are the best niches for X? It'll give it to you. And then pick location, because there's infinite locations, but you have to narrow it down to those two things. Then from there, you're going to find the businesses that need this. So I'm going to be honest, a lot of businesses lie about being open 24 hours because it helps them rank higher. They're actually full of shit. Not a lot of businesses do. That's why you want to call them in the off. But first round is just going through, and anyone you see that is closed, we can keep going. I mean, I've already picked out 4 leads, 5 leads, okay, 6 leads, 7 leads, 8 leads. And by the way, a lot of these people, again, they're most likely not open all the time, so you're going to need to check that. 8 leads, 9 leads, 10 leads. I mean, there's tons of leads that we can do this for. But the cool part is that's the first wave of people. So you're going to find all those people. Then, and you can also use ChatGPT to kind of gather their contacts. Because we're not going to be doing blasting because that's kind of like not in compliance. We're going to be doing it the right way, which is just reaching out one-on-one. But then you have the others, which is getting their email dialed in. And there's a couple different ways you can do that. You're going to have to kind of find out what they're doing. I recommend go to their website again for educational purposes, but figure out exactly what's going on and then know like, okay, they most likely don't have an email talking to them. And that's a way you can do it. You can send them an email through a form submission. And if you don't get an automated email back, you kind of know that they don't have AI email bots. By the way, if you guys have any questions at all during this video, drop in the comments down below and I will answer personally. So please do that. But really, really, really important, okay, is that you first find those two kinds of leads. So that's step number 1, identify said leads. The next part is going to be reaching out using my self-selling demo, which I'm also going to give you for free. And this thing helps the agent sell itself because I don't want you guys, if you suck at sales, to reach out and then get discouraged. I want to give you as much firepower as possible. Real quick, before I go into the self-selling demo, a really important point that you need to understand in 2026. Very few businesses have AI right now. This is a gold rush. I don't think a lot of you understand just how big this is. Businesses, okay, let me put it in perspective. Businesses back in the day, if you're trying to sell a website, maybe not. Today, okay, you're selling them AI, they don't have it. It's new. They can't say, I don't like AI, I used it. They don't really know what it is. They not had email bots, AI receptionists, AI front desk. They can't say whether they like it or not. That is a huge advantage for guess who? You. That is why we are doing this. So that's step number 1. Now we need to reach out and give them this self-selling demo, which I'm going to walk you through in a sec. And again, this is going to be free. I'm going to show you how to get in a sec. Don't worry. Again, the sales pitch is not going to happen. Not like the gurus. But we find our businesses, then we reach out to them with the demo. So first thing is you have to figure out how to reach out. Is that going to be a walk-in? Is that going to be a cold call? Is that going to be an email? Is that going to be an SMS? Is that going to be a direct letter? Figure out a way to do it. You can drop a comment too down below. I also have other videos. So say like, I want to get clients. I can send you videos where I go through like every possible way to get clients. But that's step number 1, figuring out how to reach out. Then from there, once you reach out, you want to give them this demo and say, walk through the demo and see if this will help you. That way, this does the heavy lifting. So I'm going to refresh this and walk you through the demo. But first, they come in and they go, okay, still losing website visitors who never call or book? Okay, boom. Immediately, it tells them what to do. Tap or click anywhere to start. They click over here or wherever, and then it doesn't get any more idiot proof than this. Arrows pointing to the AI voice agent. So they're like, click the blue button. They click it. Now, this is the first part, which is so important. This right here is to sell them, not to close them. When you're about to see in a sec is that. So when they come here, their whole goal is to demo this and talk to this like it's a human being. That's how this works. Because what this is going to do is this is going to show them, not tell them why this is powerful. Because a lot of you guys are just yapping at people right now going, buy AI, and they have no idea what you're talking about. Everyone keeps saying AI, but no one is freaking showing it. With this, you're showing it. That's the power. This is the first step. They need to demo this. So they're going to click this, and it's going to walk them through like this.
Hello, you've reached Vince Chiropractor Office. This is Jasmine. How can I help you today?
Hey, Jasmine, I need my back cracked. This can be changed to
Got it. I can help you schedule an appointment for that. Let me check our availability for you. One moment. Here are some available slots for you. On Monday, April 13th, 7:30 a.m., 9 a.m.
So we can go through and book an appointment, but we're going to ask you a question. Hey, Jasmine, I gotta interrupt you real quick. See it paused. Is chiropractic good for your back?
Absolutely. Chiropractic care can be great for your back. It helps with alignment, relieves tension, and can reduce pain or stiffness.
So I can keep going through that. It'll book appointment. It will literally do everything in the eyes of a business that a secretary would do. So immediately, this AI agent goes, boom, value, here you go. They immediately go, oh my gosh, this is literally how this would work in a business. Okay, you're seeing this really powerful. And then from there, it's like, oh my gosh, this will actually change businesses. This is the part that people mess up on. They skip to the sales pitch without providing value. Listen, if you don't know why something is valuable, you're not going to buy it. Okay, very important. You're buying a solution. This right here can save them a ton of money. Then once they're done with this, it says click this message to continue, and then you get brought to Maria, who then can either sell them, close them, or whatever. These are two different agents. By the way, if you do not believe that this can be self-selling and you're like, there's no way, it's just not going to happen, check this out.
No, and I'm not kidding. It was like the agent sold itself. Straight up. It sold itself.
It kind of also takes the pressure off of me in the sales process, which I like.
Yeah, well, hence the self-selling.
they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
Those are real people in my free community that did that. No joke. Again, that's not a guarantee that that's going to happen to you, but if you do it right, it can help in literally selling itself. So once this thing has gone through and sold them essentially on the idea, we then have Maria who then helps close. So watch this. Again, this is free.
Hey, I'm Maria. Did you check out the demo?
I did. It was awesome.
That's great to hear. Was there anything specific that stood out to you?
Yeah, I really liked the way that it booked chiropractor appointments fast and effortlessly.
That's a solid feature. It's super handy for businesses like chiropractors where quick scheduling can make a big difference. Do you run a chiropractic practice or is it a similar type of business?
I'm like a self-proclaimed chiropractor.
Got it. So you're running your own practice.
A self-proclaimed. But I can keep going with this, and it's basically going to go through and pushing them towards either a call with you or selling them or whatever you want. So that's how the self-selling demo works. From there, all you got to do, reach out to the businesses, use this, and then from there, you know how to set it up because we have a lot of videos on this, or I can send it to you, and then you're good to go. That's it. Now, the last step in this process, okay, is how are you going to accomplish that? And that is using the software called GoHighLevel. It's an AI-powered software, the best in the world, but hold up before you freak out. I worked out a deal with the team to not give you the 14-day, which is on their website, their 14-day free trial, but a 30-day exclusive free trial. Yes, 30 days free. Now, here is the trick. This is really important that you understand this. The 30-day free trial that I'm giving you will also give you access to my entire private community, all of my trainings, and all of my live calls, even ones with me and all my other amazing coaches for free. Now, here's the thing. This is the catch. And here's the best part. If you try this out, you try the Go High Level software, you get access to all of my free prompts, my self-selling demo, all of this stuff. You learn how to reach out to clients, and you don't like it, you can cancel after 30 days. Try it. It's literally the most risk-free thing. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, you get access to all this stuff and this community. And if you're still using High Level and you're paying for it, it's like $97 a month. It's not expensive. And you're paying for it. And the link down below, you will get access to the community for free forever. That's the idea. I'm never going to charge you for this indirectly. But what I'm saying is I'm going to give you access for free in this software so you can try it out. There's no one else doing what I'm about to do with you. And I am that sure that this is amazing. So again, you can come on, click the link down below, give it a 30-day free trial. And after 30 days, you hate it, you can cancel. Like, I'm giving you that option. I'm not going, pay me $10K and then see ya. No, not at all. You can try it. If you don't like it, free. And again, we give so much hand-holding. We have coaches that are masters at setting up systems. We have calls where we can help you with sales, help you get clients. And guys, we handhold. We give you custom blueprints. We even do some one-on-ones. Like, there is nothing like this group. And as you see right here, what does that say? F-R-E-E. You get it for free. There is no group like this. And again, all of this stuff, all of these AI agents, these self-selling demos, all of the AI prompts, everything to help you out is free right down below in the link. So what I want to do now, because I think this is really, really important, is I want to just show you some case studies so you can just see right now, like, is this legit? Is this not? That way you can make a decision. I also want to let you know, if you have any questions, drop them. If you hate this and you're like, this is a scam, drop it in the comments down below and I'll talk to you. I'm that willing to be transparent with you. Do it. You'll see what happens. I'll respond and be like, okay, let's talk about it. So what I want to do now is I just want to link some testimonies you can see right now to see that this is legit. Without further ado, seeing is believing. Check this out. So Shayla, tell us about how many clients you have currently and just walk us through this entire process.
Yeah, I'm up to 7 now in 1 month.
Agency wise, we're hitting 30 plus a month, and
30,000 a month?
yeah,
I landed 4 in my first month. Yeah, I just hit the ground running with your model. I landed $1,000 for one client, and then $2,500 a month, and then $250 a month, and $250. That was my first month of landing those.
Wait, so were those recurring or one time?
Recurring.
And thanks to your help, Declan, and the partnership, I was able to sell 3 clients this month. One for $1,000 recurring, $1,500 recurring, and $2,500 recurring.
So I'm at about a solid 11, 12 clients right now.
So to date, since started working with you, I've made a lot of money. So probably well over $47,000.
It's amazing. Yeah. How much you at per month now? Close to.
So this month we're going to eclipse 50K.
Look at that. I mean, my God. Those right there are people in this community. Seeing is believing. It's right there. The people that use stuff like this. Just being real with you, this is possibly the most insane thing that anyone's offering online. So if you like this and you think this is cool, please go down below, click the link, sign up for your free trial, or drop a comment down below and we'll chat. But what I'm going to link now is I'm going to link a video to me cold calling someone live so you can see that this is legit. The video is going to pop up in a second. It's just going to be me cold calling someone. That way you can see that I actually do this. So thanks so much for watching. If you're interested, click the link down below and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.